Are you running Facebook ads for your local business and those ads are not converting for you? Then you're probably making one of the mistakes that I'm going to share in today's video. Hi, I'm Dr. Pradnya. I'm a small business owner just like you, and the strategies that I share with you are the ones that I have learned through the years as well as implemented in my own business to scale it to 7 figures. So let's get going. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. So today's topic is about why your Facebook ads may not be converting. Let's assume here that you have gone through the exercise of making sure that Facebook ads are a good strategy for your business. And let's assume that we are also clear on the results that we are expecting from Facebook ads. By that, I mean whether it's leads or more engagement, more awareness, we want to be very clear on the results that we want to achieve through the Facebook ads. Now, what may be some mistakes that you may be doing and therefore not getting results? Number one, boosting posts versus running actual ads. I have seen many clients say this to me. Oh, I posted on my Facebook page, but I'm not getting any results. Nobody's reaching out to me. Okay, so posting on Facebook page is not advertising. That is just organic posting. Boosting that post may get you more likes, more engagement a little bit, but it may not get you the desired traffic or leads that you want who are ready to talk more, maybe do a trial, maybe get a quote and convert into becoming your clients or customers, right? That part is done through ads setup and ads manager on Facebook. That's where we help select a particular set of advertising that works best for that business. It is very granular level. There is a lot of things that you can do with ads manager to get more leads or the desired outcomes that we talked about. So that's number one, boosting posts versus running actual ads. So if you have been just boosting posts and hoping that you will get leads, that is not a good strategy. Number two is, what is the offer that you are putting out there in the marketplace? See, in a crowded marketplace, and think about the area where your business is too. Are there a lot of other businesses who are also advertising in the area? Maybe your competitors, what are they offering? And what are you offering? Just a little bit of discount or a weakish offer may not perform well in the marketplace. So you need a strong offer, but you also need to show people the value that they're getting through that offer. So that brings me to number three problem, which is the ad creative, the ad copy, and the ad setup. Let's say that you have gone to the ads manager and you have tried to do this. The ad creative is the first thing people see about your ad. That is that image or a video that goes along with the ad copy, which is the description that sits on the top. Both of these have to really drive home the value that you are providing, the specific pain point that you are solving for your customers, and why they should consider reaching out to you, give you their valuable time um, for you to pitch your product or idea or offer to them, right? So these are very crucial and critical components of an ad. Those have to be dialed in. The ad setup is also a part of this. This is in the back end of the ads manager. There are multiple options in here where you can target specific audience. That part all has to be dialed in as well for an ad to perform to the full potential. Also, part of this is the budget we are putting towards the ad. A too small of a budget is not going to get the ad in front of enough people to drive results. So we have to be very conscious of what's happening in the marketplace. How much do you need to spend to be able to show the ad to proper audience, and then go towards optimizing the all of these parameters. The next problem then, after we solve all this, let's say, is not having a proper nurture sequence. Many times I have seen businesses put ads out there that are generating some leads, but nothing is happening with those leads. Like, where are these leads going? When I say generating leads, meaning interested people are giving you their name, their phone number, their email address, and saying, yeah, I want to learn more about your product and reach out to me, or more about your service and reach out to me. But what's happening to those leads? Is there anybody reaching out? Are any leads falling through the cracks? Are they being quickly followed up with? So there are two problems that I'm discussing here, right? Not having a proper nurture sequence. And then the next one is not having a quick follow up system. This is 2024. These things can be automated through marketing automation. So when we work with our clients, we not only give them properly optimized Facebook ads, but we also give them the nurture sequence and a quick follow up system to be able to capture that lead's attention quickly. Just think about it. Let's say, for example, you are a martial arts studio in your neighborhood and you started advertising something like kids' martial arts, right? Now, a parent sees that ad and thinks, oh, yeah, my kid could be doing something like this. But then they're also going to see ads of your competitors. That's just how Facebook works. They decide to click on your ad and your competitor's ad because they're now intrigued and they want to evaluate, right? If your competitor is reaching out to them quicker, faster, they're going to go try out that place and who knows, probably going to sign up there, right? So, what just happened? You lost that lead because there was no quick follow up. Now, eventually, that lead may decide to come back, but if you don't have a nurture sequence, that lead is not going to think about your business on top of their mind as an option, etc. Right? So, both of these things are needed in order to get good return on investment for the ad dollars that you're spending. The next problem that I want to touch upon is no testing. When you are running ads on Facebook, you need to try out different creatives, different messaging, different offer, but doing this in a systematic pattern manner to figure out what exactly it is that the local area audience is liking. What is it that is really jiving with them? Let's take example of this martial arts studio once again. Let's say that that studio puts out an ad saying self defense for your kids. But I may be a parent living there and I may be thinking about getting my kid off the electronic devices that they seem to be attached to all the time. And I just want them to do something constructive, something better that's going to be positive for them in a long time. And I see the ad for self defense, I may not really immediately connect with it, right? But if then I see the ad that says, let's get your kids off the electronic devices, let's get them in the positive environment where they can learn about fitness, focus, and also this is going to be good for them in the long term. They're going to be part of this amazing community, they're going to have the support, right? And self defense or being strong is an added value benefit as part of this. Then I may suddenly be like, oh, yeah, I want to try this for my kid. So, see, the messaging was different, and there was one message that I really liked versus the other message, even though it was the same service that I was, interested in or signing up for. So, this is like the testing that needs to happen. Just an example, right? But different type of testing parameters need to be included to make sure that the ads are pretty much dialed in. The next problem that I want to talk about is the cold traffic expectation. See, when we are putting out ads, right, as local businesses on Facebook, we are creating awareness. Some of these leads or customers have not seen us before. They're not brand aware about our company or your local business. And so they are a little bit of a cold traffic. They haven't warmed up yet. So thinking that they're just going to come in and buy is may not be a right expectation. Does that mean that none of them are going to convert? No, that's not what I'm saying. Of course, they're going to come in, check it out, like it, and convert. But some of them may still be hesitant, may still be thinking, I'm not sure, etc. This is where that nurture sequence that I talked about is also important. So keep in mind that this needs patience to try out different creatives, to test out the parameters that I talked about. But it also needs patience to keep those cold leads nurtured and getting warmed up, so that your business is in the front of their mind when the timing is right, when they're ready to buy. So set your expectations correct. Be sure to try out different things. Check out the problems that I have discussed today, common mistakes that I have discussed today, and see, like, are you following these, or are you, lacking in some of these areas? If you would like some help in either launching your Facebook ads or optimizing them or running this entire Facebook ad strategy as a done for you service for your local business, then please reach out. Link is in the description. And if you found this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to know your thoughts. If you have additional questions, please drop in the comments so that I can address those in the next videos that I do. I look forward to seeing you soon.